So you just finalized your latest email in Beefree, and now you're ready to export it to Gmail. Let's show you how to activate the Gmail connector so that you can push any designed email from Beefree to Gmail in seconds. With your email open in the builder, click the Export button in the top right corner. If the Gmail icon isn't visible under Integrations, click More. You can scroll down and you'll find it there. Next, you'll need to sign into your Gmail account. Okay, great. So we've now successfully connected Beefree to our Gmail account. And by clicking Create here, we can now send our email directly into the Drafts folder inside our account. If we click this link here, it'll take us directly there. And as you can see, our email has been successfully added to the Drafts folder in Gmail and is now open and ready to be sent. It's that easy to send your beautiful email designs to Gmail, and you can do it in just a few clicks. Now, the Gmail connector also allows you to update an existing design. So if you edit the same design, and let's say we change the title, and then we want to export it to Gmail, a modal will appear. And now we can either create a new draft in Gmail or update the existing one we already sent. The changes will be reflected straight away inside the Drafts folder in your Gmail account. If you try to export an email to Gmail using the Update Existing option, but that email has already been deleted from the Drafts folder in Gmail, Beefree will display an error message. This message will inform you of the issue and prompt you to create a new email draft instead. One thing to keep in mind when using the Gmail connector: while Beefree emails are built with modern HTML, Gmail's Composer strips out some of the code we use for mobile viewing. That means emails you send via Gmail will always show the desktop version. For the best results when using Gmail, we recommend keeping your design simple and in a single column. Thanks for watching.